Forgotten username recovery failed on Ally Bank Fix. If you've been stuck trying to recover your Ally Bank username and keep hitting an error, don't panic, you're definitely not the only one. Most people assume the site is down, but the real reason behind this issue is often much simpler. Let's walk through exactly how to fix it. First, go to Ally, CAM and click on Forgot Username. You'll be asked to enter your last name, social security number, and date of birth. Here's where most people slip up. If any of this information doesn't perfectly match Ally's records, the system will reject your request. Even a missing middle name or a recently changed last name can cause recovery to fail. If you're sure the information is correct but you still can't recover your username, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies, then try again using a different browser or your phone. Ally's login recovery system can sometimes glitch due to stored data or autofill errors. Didn't get the recovery email? Check your spam or junk folder for a message from Ally Bank. If it's still not there, wait 10 to 15 minutes before retrying. Their system has built-in delays to protect accounts from multiple failed recovery attempts. If all else fails, contact Ally customer care directly at 1-877 247 2559. Their representatives are available and can verify your identity over the phone to reset your username securely. Once you regain access, take a moment to review your account details and make sure your email and phone number are up to date. That small step ensures you won't run into the same issue again. So, the next time your Ally Bank username recovery fails, remember it's usually a mismatch, not a meltdown. Follow these steps carefully, stay patient, and you'll be back in your account before you know it.